A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick and we begin with a look at petrol prices for the week ahead. And for that, we go to Dashan Hendricks at the Smartboard. Dashan?
It's a Wednesday, and on a Wednesday, we give you the changes in petrol prices for the week ahead. Starting this week, first with E1087 and E1090 gasoline. Petrojam says the price of both will be increased by $1.95, taking them to the highest they have been in some 5.5 months. Now, it's a fifth straight week of increases for both grades of gasoline. Moving on to diesel, the regular variety increases by $1.53 this week, while low sulfur diesel goes up by $2.26. The price of kerosene increases. It goes up this week by $2.71, while propane LPG cooking gas, it increases by $1.15, and butane goes up by some 49 cents. It's now back to you.
Thanks very much, Dashan. Meanwhile, the price of oil halted its longest winning streak so far this year. Oil for delivery in April ended the day at $53.11, down 29 cents in trading. And currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.75. The Canadian dollar is selling for $96 even. The pound costs $161.32, while the euro sells for $137.12. Paramount Trading said it made $29 million in profit during the third quarter of its financial year. That was 30% lower than in the same period a year ago. Paramount said the lower profit was because the prior year had non-recurring earnings. And trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended the day with the main JC Market Index up more than 888 points, while the Junior Market Index declined by 48. The winners of the day included Berger Paints, Consolidated Bakeries, ISP Finance, Main Event Entertainment, NCB Financial Group, and the Scotia Group. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Carreras, Jamaican Teas, the JMB Group, Lasca Distributors, Panjam, Radio Jamaica, and T-Tech. That's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.